Everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about some of the best websites which you can follow as a developer and improve your development skills and practice on these websites and basically improve your front-end skills, be it related to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and improve your UI related things. So make sure you watch the video till end. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure consider to subscribing to channel and press the notification bell icon. Also make sure you hit the like button and share this video with others so that maximum students can get to know about these websites and they can practice from here and learn from here and practice the basically development skills. So let's get started and dive into video. Before that, you can join a Telegram community where I share lot of opportunities related to paid internships and various job openings. So make sure you consider joining that. If you want to become a front-end developer, you can follow a roadmap which I have made the video for that. Also, you can check out the video. And also, if you haven't yet applied for the Microsoft related hackathon, so make sure apply for that. Link will be given in the video. So let's get started and dive into the video. So first I will be the website is Front-End Mentor. Basically here the websites where you can find various front-end challenges, be it related to beginner, intermediate or advanced level. You can practice the website, and it is also the paid version and the free version. You can use the free version of the websites and solve and improve your basically development skills, be it related to HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React, or using any API related things. So make sure or using any CSS framework. So you can go here and in the challenges section, and you can see here that is a website this is intermediate websites, intermediate, advanced level. So you can see various challenges which is going through, and you can participate in this and submit your solutions and basically improve your development skills. Also, you will find various solutions here related to various challenges, so you can go through there and practice this skills basically with challenges and improve your basically development skills. Next website is bfe.dev, where if you are a front-end developer or want to pursue this for development skills or want to learn, basically you can visit the websites, and this is a great website for anyone. So basically here it is basically related to front-end coding problems, job interviews. If you want to get interviews related things and want to crack interviews related to front-end development, you can visit this website and explore various there is a coding related problems, answer is also there, design related questions, fun related question. Also there is a TypeScript which is advanced level of JavaScript, CSS which is design related, and you can check out here basically here. So there are various front-end related problems and also product design related problem. So you can check out this website. This is very cool websites. You can check out this and practice the problems here and improve your development skills, your DSA skills. So this is the website. So you can and next website we will move into is 100 Days of CSS Challenge. When you are a front-end developer or a web developer, basically this is the most important skill, that is CSS. It helps you to basically design websites, and this actually makes your websites appearing most challenging mostly. So make sure you consider learning the skills and improving upon it. So this here is basically a challenge related to it, 100 days of CSS, where you can practice CSS for 100 days and improve your CSS skills. So you can basically this is the work you can do, and challenge you can participate, and you can submit your solutions and upgrade to next level. And when you will be able to complete the 100 days of CSS challenge, you will see that your front-end skills have been grown widely. So you can look out these websites and explore upon this. So next website is basically where various challenges related to front-end has been mentioned. So you can check out these websites and look out to this. Next website is basically Codewell Javascript30Com, where you can practice, improve your HTML and CSS skills. Also, you can build your portfolio and improve your design related skills. So you can check out this website. This is very cool websites. You can participate in the various challenges which is going through and join this Slack community in the various other community. So you can log in with the GitHub and join this community and access this website easily. So go to this websites and you can start your development skills and practicing your development skills, improving your front-end skills, be it related to HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Next website is FrontLoop. Basically power up your front-end development jobs with the real-world challenges, where you will find various challenges related to front-end, and it will be related to real-world. So here it is markup and here it is elements. So you can take any of the challenges. How it works: you get an email with the first challenge and all the assets prepared for your kickstart. You code it and the best possible way and press the submit button, and when you feel it's ready, you get a response email with a working code example. This is a great. So basically this will eventually help you to build your skills and get various opportunities. So make sure consider practicing these websites. So these are the great websites. Next website you can see is a dev challenging website. Dev challenges basically. So basically you need to choose any of the challenges that is basically related to response web developer, front-end developer, full stack developer. Next is work on yourself or with a team. So you can work here with anyone, be it related to your friends or colleagues or any partner related to it, and practice this coding skills. And next is submit your solutions and you're giving the feedback. So you can look out this website. This is a very great website. Codepani is basically an online tool where you can start your development skills and practice your development skills, and here you will find various challenges related to front-end and various other skills. So make sure you consider practicing here, and there are various other challenges where you can practice. So you can check out this website and practice your development skill. Next is Daily UI, where you become a better designer in 100 days, and you can improve upon your UI related things and CSS related things. So make sure you can check out this website, and where you will get a daily design challenges, inspiration and surprise reward. Just you need to put up your email, get started, and you can all the challenges basically will be emailed to you, and you can go through them and practice daily and improve your basically UI related things. So next is basically next website is CSS Battle, where you can work upon CSS related things and improve your CSS skills. Next website you can check out is Ace Frontend, which is basically when you are preparing for a front-end interview or a web developer interview, you can practice here and basically. So this is basically the best platforms where you can practice your development related skills, be it related to HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here no frameworks is basically there are no framework questions here. Basically it is purely HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So make sure you look out to this, and there are basic questions you can check out, and this will enhance when you are given the interview related to web development. So you can check out this, and there is a coding challenges, so you can sign in and basically access various coding challenges. You just need to code and submit the solutions. That's it. Next website is basically Coder.io. So there are various challenges which you can see and look after that and submit your solutions basically related to development. So you can check out this website there, which is nice website. You can check out and improve your development skill. Next website is basically a front-end practice website, where you can practice your front-end development skills and recreate basically your real websites. So you can find various websites here, and you can recreate these websites on your own and improve your basically development skills and web development skills basically. So check out this website, and all the links will be given in the description. So next website is basically Javascript30.com. It is basically the vanilla JS code challenge, where you will be getting 30 JavaScripts. You will be making basically 30 JavaScript projects in 30 days when no frameworks is required. It is purely based on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can check out this. Just you need to put up your email and sign up, and you will be getting all the challenges in your email, and you can access them easily and practice and submit the solutions. So this is a great website to build your GS skills and practice your HTML and CSS skills. So next website is basically Coderbit.com, where you can practice various front-end challenges and front-end questions. So you can check out this website. So these are the list of the 15 websites which you can check out and improve your development skills. And basically, so how have you used this website for anywhere, or so let me know. Also, if you like this video, give the like button, and also do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button, and share this video with others so that other students can get to know about this websites and practice their development skills. Also join our Telegram community to get to know about various internships and various opportunity. So we will be meeting in the next video. Till then, thank you.